Jobs, jobs, jobs. Let's get down to business and find out what's up with Moncton jobs. With a vibrant economy and major employers across various industries, the city is a goldmine for career opportunities. Grab yourself a cup of coffee and get ready to explore the bustling job scene in Moncton. First up, let's talk about the healthcare industry. Not what's wrong with it and what's happening, but as an employer. So Moncton has a robust healthcare industry, as we all know, with hospitals such as the Moncton Hospital and the Horizon Health Network, as well as the George Dumont, and they offer a wide range of medical services. However, as we know, the healthcare industry has faced several challenges in recent years, including staff shortages and long wait times for some medical procedures, as well as the ER. But with an aging population, there is likely to be a continued demand for health services and related jobs. Now, this includes not only doctors and nurses, but also support staff, such as administrative assistants, cleaners, and food service workers. Despite the challenges, the healthcare industry is expected to continue to grow and continue to offer employment opportunities in Moncton. Next up is the real estate sector in Moncton. And like many other cities in Canada, we've experienced a significant boom in recent years. Now, this is largely due to several factors, including the fact that we are a growing population. Moncton is actually one of the fastest growing cities in New Brunswick, and a limited supply of housing. As a result of this growth, the real estate industry has become a significant employer in Moncton, providing a wide range of job opportunities to those looking to work in this sector. Now, that includes not just realtors like me and property managers, but also mortgage brokers, appraisers, home inspectors, and real estate lawyers. Now, these positions all play an important role in the industry, and they help to support its growth and its success. So overall, the real estate industry is expected to continue to be a key player in Moncton's economy in the coming years. With a growing population and a strong housing market, there will likely be many more opportunities for those looking to work in this sector, making it an attractive option for job seekers in the city. Moving on to manufacturing. Now, Moncton has a long history of manufacturing, and this industry is likely to continue to play a significant role in the city's economy. These include jobs such as factory workers, production managers, and quality control specialists. Although the manufacturing industry is not expected to grow as rapidly as some of the other industries in Moncton, there are likely to continue to be employment opportunities available. One major employer in the manufacturing industry is Irving. This is a family-owned company that operates a tissue plant in Dieppe. The plant produces household paper products and employs approximately 200 people. With the continued demand for tissue paper, obviously, there will likely continue to be employment opportunities available at the Irving plant. While Moncton is not known for being a significant mining center in Canada, the majority of our mining activity is actually concentrated in other areas of the province, such as Bathurst, Campbellton, and Grand Falls. But that being said, Moncton is home to Major Drilling, which is a prominent drilling company that provides drilling services to the mining industry, as well as other industries such as environmental and energy exploration. While Major Drilling is based in Moncton, it actually operates globally, with operations in various countries including Canada, the United States, South America, and Africa. Now, in addition to Major Drilling, there are other companies in Moncton that also provide support services to the mining industry, such as engineering and consulting firms. However, the overall impact of the mining industry on Moncton's economy is relatively small compared to other industries such as transportation, healthcare, and education. Now that segues into Moncton being a major transportation hub in Atlantic Canada, with an economy that is heavily reliant on transportation industry. So the city's strategic location at the intersection of major highways and rail lines, as well as the proximity to the Port of St. John and the Greater Moncton International Airport, has made it a key transportation and logistics center for the region. The transportation industry in Moncton is diverse, with a variety of companies involved in different aspects of the supply chain. We've got trucking companies that provide transportation services for goods, materials, and equipment across North America. There's also logistics companies that specialize in warehousing, distribution, and other supply chain management services. In addition to ground transportation, Moncton has a significant air transportation industry, with the Greater Moncton International Airport serving as a major air cargo and passenger hub. The rail industry is also an important component of Moncton's transportation industry. The city is served by both CN and CP rail lines, which connect it to major markets throughout North America. In fact, Moncton is one of the busiest rail centers in Canada, with more than 2,000 trains passing through the city each week. Overall, the transportation industry is a significant driver of Moncton's economy. The industry is supported by a range of infrastructure, including highways, rail lines, and the airport, as well as a skilled workforce and a favorable business environment. Next up is the finance and the insurance industry. Moncton is home to a number of financial services and insurance companies, including TD Bank, RBC, and Medavie Blue Cross. This industry is likely to remain a significant employer in the city, offering a range of jobs, including bankers, accountants, and insurance agents. With a stable economy and a growing population, there is likely to be a continued demand for financial services and insurance in Moncton. Another industry that is expected to grow in Moncton is information technology. The city is home to a number of tech companies, such as Strategic Technology Associates. As technology continues to advance, the need for IT professionals is likely to increase, including jobs such as software developers, network administrators, and cybersecurity experts. The information technology industry is expected to offer a range of employment opportunities in Moncton, particularly as companies increasingly rely on technology to streamline their operations and reach new customers. The retail sector is also another major industry in Moncton, and it provides many job opportunities in the city. In fact, according to a report from the City of Moncton, the retail sector employs over 14,000 people in the Greater Moncton area. This includes jobs in various fields such as sales, customer service, management, and more. There are many retail options available in Moncton, ranging from the large shopping malls like CF Champlain to smaller independent stores and boutiques in downtown Moncton. The retail sector in Moncton is expected to continue to grow and provide employment opportunities for those seeking to work in the city. So overall, the retail sector is a significant contributor to Moncton's economy and a major employer in the city. The wide range of retail options and job opportunities, those interested in pursuing a career in retail can find many opportunities in Moncton. In terms of the overall job market, Moncton has experienced relatively low levels of unemployment in recent years, with an average rate of around 7%. Now, this is due in part to the city's growing economy and diverse range of job opportunities. So for job seekers looking for career opportunities, Moncton is an excellent place to explore with a diverse range of job opportunities across various industries. Companies like Irving, Major Drilling, and Atlantic Lottery are likely to offer employment opportunities, and with steady economic growth, Moncton is an attractive location for job seekers. Whew, that was a big one, but there you have it. That's the economic and industries that we have here in the Greater Moncton area. Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer and welcome back to my channel. I am a realtor in the Greater Moncton area, and before you head out, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I also have covered a lot of different information on this channel as far as living in Moncton and moving in Moncton, and I'll just put some cards up here so that you have easy access to finding those playlists. So, as I always say at the end of my videos, we'll see you on the next one.